Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Midjourney for AI image workflow automation, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Midjourney website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Choose the appropriate subscription plan that suits your needs. Fill in the required personal information, including your email address and a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Midjourney. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your account is verified, return to the Midjourney website. Log in using your registered email and password. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Settings section to complete your profile. Add any additional information as required. Explore the available features and resources for AI image workflow automation. Join the Midjourney community forums to connect with other users. Start experimenting with the automation tools available to enhance your workflow. Reach out to support if you encounter any issues during setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.